But let me actually ask a customer to come on stage to tell you about how they were using all these services together so that they could build totally innovative projects. And this is a customer actually that is a true household name here in Germany. So Kärcher, the cleaning company, is not necessarily a company you would think about that would build very innovative new IT services. But Alex Grohmann will come on stage and will talk to you about cleaning and the cloud. Very good.
So good morning, Berlin. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's a pleasure for me to be here because I'm an economist. And this makes me very proud here to stand on stage. What I would like to talk about is customer-centric cloud solutions. So my name is Alexander Grohmann, and I work for Kärcher, which is also not an IT company. So we are the market leader in cleaning technologies, cleaning machines. And you probably know us from our yellow high pressure washers and also from our window wacks. And you can win this window wack today because I have a question in my presentation, and the one who answers this question the fastest way can pick up this window wack after my presentation. Consumer products, which is this, is only half of the roof of Kärcher, you know, because the other 1 billion sales we did in 2014 was made by our professional products for professional cleaning companies, and these products are Android. So for these Android products, I'm globally responsible for fleet management, which is machine-to-machine communication. Cleaning is different all over the world. And if we talk about customer centricity, we need to really know and think about the environment we are in. And that's very important for us, because if we don't understand the environment, we cannot understand our customers. And the idea of Kärcher is not that the customers understand Kärcher, but that Kärcher understands their customers. And I can prove you that cleaning is different all over the world. So you see, this is cleaning Mount Rushmore, the presidential heads in the USA. So cleaning is quite a challenge. You see, there is Christ in Rio de Janeiro. We cleaned also this. We see the Kaiser Wilhelm Memorial Church there in Berlin, which was really a hard challenge for us to clean this very old church. And last but not least, cleaning in China is also different, because cleaning Forbidden City or cleaning the Matsugawa Dam, I hope I pronounced it right, in Japan was also a challenge. But this was more kind of an art thing and not completely cleaning. So what we did in developing the Kärcher Fleet management solution was that we clustered cleaning applications, cleaning actions, and we really choose some of these clusters and developed a solution for these clusters. And then we took also into consideration our stakeholders, which are involved in the cleaning process, which is the CEO of the cleaning company and also which is a client, so our customer's customer. Because we believe that if we provide the right information to the right group of people, this is really customer centricity. And another important fact, and this is also the key message today why I'm here, is the proper technology is also essential for an innovative product. And there's the question, what do you think is the proper technology to host the Kärcher Fleet management solution? Okay, you got it. Finally, one person said AWS, so you received this window wack, huh? Okay. It's a value of 80 euros, so you can be quite happy. So why did we choose AWS, or what advantages did AWS give us? First of all, they have a managed infrastructure. This means for us that I can take my capacity, my people's capacity, to look at customer-centric solutions and not to look and store the solution or set up a server at a Kärcher headquarters. The second thing is the price. For us, the Amazon Cloud solution is much cheaper than setting up a server at Kärcher. The third thing is global latency, availability, and the reaction time of these services Amazon is providing us. And the third thing is the availability of many components, which Werner did already told you a lot about. what were our requirements? Because as a market leader, we also look which company fits best to us. So that's good as AWS is also a market leader. We have also somebody from Gartner here, so you know this fact. We had quite a hard market push. So time to provision was very important for us. The second thing was data volume and scalability. We started with one single machine connected to the system, and our business case is up to 40,000 machines until 2016. So it's a completely new and innovative solution for the cleaning industry. So we don't even know how successful it will be, but of course it will be successful, but we don't know when and in what kind of way. So scalability is very important. The third thing is security, because German customers, I cannot say they are difficult, but German customers really care about data security. So some customers don't want us to store their data at Kärcher. So if we can offer a private cloud solution over Amazon, that's fine for them. So Kärcher has no access to the data of our customers, if they want it. And the third thing is also what I did already mentioned in the advantages. All the components Amazon is providing us are really helpful and supportive for us. And as I told you, I'm an economist, so this is my architecture slide, which is quite simple. We have the cleaning machine, we have a telematics box, we take this over a global network into the cloud, and then we process this information in a very meaningful way with all these services to our stakeholders, to really provide a customer-centric stakeholder Amazon cloud solution, however you would like to call it. We call it Kärcher Fleet. And that's Kärcher Fleet. So it's machine-to-machine communication. And I only have one slide about Kärcher Fleet because, you know, this is really the bottom line of cleaning business. So if you, I would try to explain you a little bit the solution. So this is the last slide, and this is the last slide about the solution. So it's machine-to-machine communication, and you see there is a stakeholder, and the stakeholder is a branch manager. And a branch manager has a lot of facilities which he's responsible for, and these facilities need to be clean. And they need to be clean without that people see it, that the cleaning process is ongoing. Because if you go through a retail store, through a supermarket, you don't like that they cross cleaning machines or something like that. So imagine it's also important for the hospitality group, because if you check out your hotel room at 10 in the morning and your guests came at 1 p.m., so you have a time of 3 hours to clean the whole hotel and all the hotel rooms. So efficiency and performance of the fleet is very important for these people. And the quintessence of the Kärcher dashboard for this person here is to immediately get an overview about his whole fleet and even about single machines, to get an overview about the health of his fleet, to get an overview about the service reliability, the breakdowns, and all these stuff, that his fleet is always complete, operable. So to sum it up, AWS gave us the possibility to quickly go global by maintaining low latency. And last but not least, I would like to thank the Kärcher IT guys, which is of course Oliver Demniak, and my friends from ITM, which supported us to host the solution on AWS, and they have a booth here. You can go there and talk to them, and thank you for your attention.